Yung popcorns. We are going to the office today. Last pasok ko na sa office bago kita ilabas. Hopefully. You are now 31 weeks. Pakita. Yan. And tomorrow, 32 weeks ka na. So, for today's video, meet natin ang iyong mga ninangs, titas, and titos and ninongs sa ETS. So, see you in a bit.
Hello, Popcorn! It's your Tita Mara. Sana healthy ka paglabas and magpabigat kay mommy and be a good baby. I don't know your gender yet. So, be a good kid. Ayan, ako ang Tita Mara mo na red hair. Sana ma-meet ka namin soon. Welcome to the world.
Hello, baby. This is Tito Lud. I am your mom's office mate. We don't know your gender yet, but I'm guessing you are a boy. Pero whether a boy or a girl ka, I wish you to be healthy and strong. And when the time comes that you get to decide your gender and be part of the LGBTQIA+, I hope the world would be a better place to live in, not to tolerate and accept you for who you are. So, God bless.
Hello, Popcorn! Sobrang excited na kaming malaman anong gender mo. Pero feeling ko baka baby girl ka. Kasi blooming si mommy. So, I'm rooting for a girl. Pero sana you'll become a very healthy baby. Mahalin at alagaan mo si mommy mo kasi grabe yung love na binuhos ni mommy mo sa'yo. Dami nagmamahal din sa inyo ni mommy mo, and I firmly believe na magiging good girl or good boy ka, and you will become a very strong baby kasi your mom is such a very strong woman and a genuinely good person, one of the genuinely good person that I know. And sana I'm hoping also that you'll become one. And feeling ko naman kasi mukhang very good si mommy naman when it comes to those things. And yeah, I'm excited to see you real soon. Huwag mo kakalimutan si Tita Mitch. Ako lang ang nag-iisa mong Tita Mitch na maganda ang ilong. Take care and I'll see you soon, baby popcorn!
Hi Popcorn, this is Tito Yano. I guess you're a bouncing baby boy, and we're excited to see you. Praying for your health and a brighter future. See you, bye.
Hello, baby. We were waiting for you here and tingin ko and feel ko that you are a baby girl kasi your mom is so blooming, very attentive, hindi hinihingal. Kasi feeling ko yung ibang buntis, mostly lalaki yung anak. Kapag hinihingal sila, when they talk, when we walk, when they, whatever they do, hinihingal sila. So, ang mami mo, hindi siya haggard, very blooming, and tingin ko baby girl ka. Kasi nag-glowing siya and rosy. Ayun. We were waiting for you here. Wag naman mapaaga. Sana just in time. And ayun. Hope to meet you soon. Bye.
Hello baby. Feeling ko you're a baby girl kasi unang-una sobrang fresh ng mama mo, ang ganda ng mama mo. And kung baby girl ka nga, for sure makukuha mo yung ganda niya. Ganda and also yung talino. So, ayun, we are so excited. Sobrang excited kami na ma-meet ka na soon. Huwag mong papahirapan si mommy mo sa panganganak. For sure naman paglaki mo, and habang lumalaki guys, magiging mabait kang anak kasi mabait na mama mo. I mean, dito asan ko colleague, office, katrabaho. Ayun, mabait ng mama mo. Very friendly. Ayun. So, hope to see you soon. We're so excited. Bye!
Hello! Ayan, ako nga pala si Loy. And hula ko you'll be a beautiful baby girl kasi ang blooming ni mother mo. And ayun, nag-glow siya. May sarili siyang spotlight. Kaya ayun, can't wait to see you. And happy birthday again. Joke lang.